Spectacled bear's secret: mastering a bamboo diet. The spectacled bear, also known as the Andean bear, is a creature of mystery residing high in the Andes Mountains of South America. It's easy to miss them. They're often overshadowed by their more famous relatives, like pandas or polar bears. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing fact. But these bears possess an absolutely fascinating and unique adaptation that sets them apart. They are almost entirely reliant on bamboo for sustenance. Unlike other bear species, which have a much broader diet, the spectacled bear's digestive system has evolved to efficiently process massive quantities of this tough plant material. They can consume up to 30 pounds of bamboo each day. This specialization means their survival is intimately linked to the availability and health of these dense bamboo forests. Most bears are known for their omnivorous diets, some leaning heavily on meat, others on fruits and berries. But the spectacled bear has taken a remarkably different evolutionary path. They've developed an incredible specialization, a profound reliance on bamboo. In fact, they're truly unique in the bear world. No other species depends on this resource to such an extent. This isn't just about occasionally nibbling on some stalks for spectacled bears. Bamboo is often the cornerstone of their diet, providing up to 90% of their food intake. You'll see how that specialized relationship has shaped them in later segments. Spectacled bears are truly remarkable climbers. Their bodies are uniquely adapted for life in the Andean forests, and a key part of that is their incredible agility. Notice how long their arms are compared to their legs. This elongated limb structure, combined with exceptionally flexible shoulders, gives them an almost unparalleled ability to scale trees and cliffs. This isn't just about climbing, it's essential for accessing their primary food source, bamboo. These bears regularly reach for shoots growing high in the canopy, often exceeding 100 feet above the ground. It's a breathtaking sight to witness one of these bears effortlessly maneuvering through such precarious heights. Unlike many bears who rely heavily on berries and fish, spectacled bears have a fascinating adaptation that allows them to thrive in their Andean habitat. Their digestive systems are uniquely designed for processing tough plant matter, particularly bamboo. While they are omnivores, meaning they'll eat insects or small animals, when available, a significant portion of their diet consists of this challenging food source. The ability to efficiently break down and absorb nutrients from bamboo stalks is something that most other bear species simply can't do. It requires specialized enzymes and an extended digestive tract, which the spectacled bear possesses in abundance. This specialization allows them to exploit a food resource often overlooked by their relatives. Spectacled bears possess incredibly strong claws, and they're put to work in more ways than just climbing trees. Watch closely as they skillfully strip away layers of bark from bamboo stems, a technique that reveals the sweet, nutrient-rich core inside. This isn't random scratching, it's deliberate action, demonstrating a remarkable level of tool use behavior. They understand that beneath the tough exterior lies a valuable food source and have evolved specialized methods to access it. It's truly fascinating to observe how these bears manipulate their environment to obtain nourishment. Spectacled bears are incredibly adaptable when it comes to food. Their diet changes dramatically depending on what's available throughout the year. When bamboo is plentiful, especially during certain seasons, these bears will gorge themselves, consuming massive quantities daily. It's a vital strategy for building up fat reserves. But they aren't solely reliant on this single resource. As bamboo dwindles, they become opportunistic omnivores, supplementing their diet with a wide range of other foods like juicy fruits, the water-rich bromeliads that grow high in the canopy, and even small mammals or insects when necessary. This flexibility is key to their survival, allowing them to thrive even during challenging times or in areas where bamboo isn't consistently abundant. It's remarkable how these bears aren't just consumers of bamboo, they actively manage it. Spectacled bears have developed a fascinating technique that scientists are calling bamboo farming. They carefully select and break individual stalks, essentially pruning them to encourage new growth. This isn't random destruction, it's a deliberate action designed to ensure a continuous supply of fresh shoots in the future. By strategically trimming older bamboo, they stimulate the plant to produce more young, tender stems, which are their preferred food source. It's an incredibly sophisticated behavior for a bear and highlights just how crucial bamboo is to their survival, leading them to become skilled horticulturalists in their own right. This incredible reliance on bamboo has a fascinating consequence. It heavily influences how spectacled bears interact. Because these bears need access to those precious bamboo stands for survival, they actively avoid each other in areas with particularly good patches. It's not aggressive avoidance, more like a quiet understanding that prevents conflict and ensures everyone gets enough to eat. This leads to distinct territorial boundaries, but instead of marking trees or rocks, their territories are defined by the richest bamboo groves. Each bear essentially claims a section of these stands as its own, minimizing competition and maximizing food security. You'll rarely find two spectacled bears sharing prime bamboo real estate. The spectacled bear's survival is inextricably linked to the health of its bamboo forests. Across the Andes Mountains, these vital habitats are disappearing at an alarming rate due to deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining. This isn't just about losing trees, it's about dismantling entire ecosystems that sustain not only bears, but countless other species. As these forests shrink, spectacled bears find themselves increasingly isolated, with less food available and more conflict with humans as they venture into farmland seeking sustenance. The pressure on their populations is immense, underscoring the urgent need for dedicated conservation efforts focused squarely on protecting and restoring these crucial Andean ecosystems. Without them, the future of the spectacled bear remains deeply uncertain. The spectacled bear's diet is remarkably specialized, and bamboo plays a crucial role in that. While they are omnivores, capable of eating fruits, insects, rodents, and even small deer, bamboo makes up an astonishing 70% of their food intake in some regions. This isn't just about sustenance, it's about ecological balance. They're essentially gardeners of the cloud forest, helping to disperse seeds from other plants as they move through the habitat. Their feeding habits influence the growth patterns of bamboo stands and affect the availability of resources for other animals too. Protecting these bears means safeguarding their bamboo forests, a truly interconnected relationship that highlights how vital this species is to the entire ecosystem.